everyone, Jeff and Jay here with another edition of Jay's Big Adventure. Jay's the Fuzzy Guy, and today we are elevating our production values with the use of a drone. I've been looking at drone footage for a long time. I think it's really cool. I wanted to get involved, but I was a little skeptical because it's so expensive. A good drone, and the best ones are made by DJI, by the time you get everything that you need to be in the air and to be effective, it's about $1,500 by the time you get everything sent to the house, and that's a lot of money. In addition to that, if you want to see what the camera is actually filming, you need to use your phone as a video monitor. Now, with $1,500 in a drone and $1,000 in a camera, if I drop something in a lake or off the end of a dock, it's going to be a very bad day. And I'm not a drone pilot. I've not flown one before, so I was really kind of skeptical to invest that kind of money for something that I was not comfortable using. So I've put it off and put it off. And then I thought, well, you know, I have a channel on how to buy and sell stuff and make money. Why don't I apply my own principles and see if I can find a good one used? Again, DJI makes the best drones. I was looking for stuff like that. They hold their value pretty well, kind of like BMWs and Porsches do. So then you're back to, well, do I just spend the money and get a new one? Then I have a warranty, blah, blah, blah. And I thought, well, you know what? Let's just see what other comparable drones are out there. And this is what we found. So one of the things that GoPro did was to look at the main issues that you have when flying a drone. And one of them is the fact that you have to use your phone as a controller. With everybody else, you get the joysticks, but you actually use your phone for the video monitor. And as I said, phones don't typically work real well in bright environments, which is about the only time you fly a drone. So what Karma did was they developed their own controller. And this, it's a very nice size. It works quite well. And it's bright. You can see this in the daytime without any difficulty. And it's a very, very easy controller to use. It's a touch screen. There's all kinds of menus, all kinds of settings that you can do. But this controller used is $40. So I found one used on eBay and I bought another controller just because if I drop this in the lake, I'll have another one. If I drop my phone, not only have I lost the phone, I also can't call for help. So the controller was a big part of why I liked this drone. But wait, there's more. In addition, it comes with this case. This is a pretty good sized case. It's about 22 inches long and it's about 12 inches wide. It's almost 6 inches deep. So it's definitely harder to carry around. There are actually straps on it. You can use it as a backpack, which is great. But the thing that really sets this apart is the camera. And believe it or not, they use a GoPro camera, all right? And this particular camera is a GoPro 6, and I can take it out and use it as a GoPro. I can mount it on the bike, I can carry it around, but wait, there's even more. The big advantage of this system is that I can take the gimbal out and put it into a gimbal mount. And so now I have a fully functioning gimbal mount with the same camera that I had in the drone. And this is truly unique. So I've got a GoPro camera on a GoPro mount that fits into a GoPro drone. And this is the best part. If I wanted to go buy a new DJI drone, it'd be about $1,500. Another gimbal mount's going to be another couple $100. You know, a detachable camera is a couple $100. I bought this entire setup for $181 on eBay. Not a lot of people were bidding on it, and I stole it. It came with extra batteries, the controller, the whole 9 yards. So I'm super, super stoked. But the key is, how does it look from the air? So I'm going to show a couple of minutes of video clips that I took with this drone, and we'll be back in just a few minutes. So as you can see, the video footage came out just great. I am amazed at the quality. It's even better on my computer or on my own TV than it is on YouTube because they do compress the quality of the video, but even so, it's pretty outstanding. One of the things that's really important to understand is that if you make money online, whether it's YouTube or your own website, you must have an FAA license to fly the drone. If you do not, and you get caught, it's a $100,000 fine for not being registered with the FAA. There are all kinds of rules that you need to follow. The course is actually fairly intense. The exam was a 2-hour-long exam. They ask you all kinds of questions about drones, about how to use charts, where do you go for information, how do you find out if it is okay for you to fly in a particular area. And you must have this if you're going to make money. Now that I have my FAA license, because I passed the test yesterday, I can now use the drone commercially. And I can do videos for realtors, I can inspect buildings, a bunch of other ways to improve the income stream by using the drone, which I will do. But my focus, of course, is here on YouTube, so that's what we're going to use it for. So that's kind of where we are. Thanks for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and we'll have more videos out soon.